Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn what you need to know about the LLC operating agreement. Let us get started. First, what it is. An operating agreement for a music label structured as an LLC. It is signed by the LLC members and the label owners. You will need it for forming a label and structuring a business. Now, the key terms to know. Members, covering member rights and ownership units. Money, covering profit distribution and capital contributions. Management, covering roles and authority and voting and decisions. Before you sign, watch these. Ownership, define units clearly. Profits, agree distribution rules. Exit, plan for a member leaving. So, that wraps up the LLC operating agreement. Know what it covers, review the key terms, and use the roster templates to draft your own. Remember, art means business.